In this video, I'm about to show you how to easily learn Polish in Memrise. Start by opening the Memrise website and logging into your account. If you don't have an account, tap on Get Started or Sign Up. Next, select Polish from the list of languages and you can start with a Polish 1 course for beginners. Now choose a manageable amount of time that fits into your schedule. Consistency is key to progress. Memrise uses a spaced repetition system to teach vocabulary and phrases. Your online personal AI language tutor will teach you how to speak Polish like a local. It teaches you Polish vocabulary through lessons based on your interests. Memrise provides you with unlimited human-like conversation practice to improve your Polish learning. The course will provide audio pronunciations and visual cues to help reinforce learning. You can use the Memrise app on your phone to practice regularly, whether you're at home or on the go. It tracks your progress through levels and courses so you can keep an eye on how well you're doing. While Memrise offers free content, some advanced lessons and features are locked behind a premium membership. Memrise is excellent for learning vocabulary and short phrases, but it may lack depth in grammar and conversational skills. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.